Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Alchemy webhooks for on-chain activity alerts, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Alchemy account. Navigate to your dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Webhooks section. Click on the Create Webhook button. Choose a relevant name for your webhook. Select the type of event you want to monitor for on-chain activity. Common event types include new block, transaction confirmed, and smart contract event. Enter the URL where you want to receive the webhook notification. This URL should point to your server endpoint that will handle the incoming requests. Configure any additional settings, such as filters to limit the events sent to your webhook. Review your webhook configuration to ensure all details are correct. Click on the Save button to create your webhook. After saving, you will see your new webhook listed in the Webhooks section. To test your webhook, trigger an event that would generate a notification. Check your server endpoint to confirm that it received the webhook data. Make sure to handle the incoming data properly in your server code. You may want to log the incoming requests for debugging purposes. To improve reliability, implement retry logic in case your endpoint is temporarily down. Once everything is working, monitor your webhook performance regularly. Fine-tune your configuration based on the alerts you receive and your specific requirements. This will ensure you stay updated with the most relevant on-chain activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.